Backing up your WordPress website is one of the smartest things you can do to protect your content, design, and data from unexpected disasters like hacks, crashes, or accidental deletions. In this video, I will show you how to back up WordPress website. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress into your device. Now sign into your account, and then once you're signed in, go ahead and head over into the plugin section. Why backups matter? Your WordPress site includes files such as themes, plugins, media uploads, and database such as posts, pages, settings, and user data. So to fully restore your site, you need both. Now, in here, go ahead and search for Updraft Plus. So this plugin will allow you to easily back up your files from WordPress to your Updraft Plus account. So you need to go ahead and create an account on Updraft Plus. And then once you have created an account, go ahead and back up your files from WordPress. So make sure to upgrade your WordPress account to business account and activate Updraft Plus for free. So once you have this activated, you can actually set the automation for this as well on the settings to set the frequency such as daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also choose the remote storage for that and click the backup now button to your settings to create your first backup. And that is how you can basically back up WordPress website. If this was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.